Hello everyone. Beautiful weather. Beautiful weather. It's cold, guys. It's cold. Alright. Another day, another vlog. As you can see, guys, the weather very nice. Malamig nga lang konti, -2. Konti pa -2. Hello. Malamig daw ng konti. Malamig daw ng konti, -2. Grabe. Ano yan? Alright. Walking again and again. Non-stop walking. I show you around in this new beautiful area. As you can see, guys, the tree is all calvos. Calvos, look, there's no leaves anymore. Look, wala na talaga wala na. Winter is coming. Winter, it's waving. Winter, it's waving. Let's go to the park. Walking. Let's go to the park, guys. Without leaves for now. I show you around. This is a beautiful park, guys. It's not beautiful kasi wala nang dahon. Ay, beautiful daw. So ugly. So ugly. Ayan po. Wala nang bubulaklak. They remove everything. Tinanggal na at binasura na, guys, mga halaman. Kasi matutuyo nga lang siya. Oh, look at this. Malamig. -2. The weather today is -2, guys. -2. -2. Oh, look at that. The lolo. Nag-wheelchair. Na-frozen na. Red na. Na-frozen na. Hindi nag-change color. It's still red. Yeah. It's very nice color. Oh, look at the trees over there. Look at the beautiful sky. Look, the sun is over there. Silip. Pag may araw, guys, mas malamig ang weather pag may araw. Doble ang kanyang degrees. Opo. Kala nyo mainit pag may araw. No, it's not. Doble. Ayan ang naka-wheelchair, guys. So, nag-exercise. Alright, nag-exercise para yung kamay niya keep moving. Gusto niya magpapawis. Diba? For in the morning. Let's go see the roses, guys. The roses is still wala na. I think they're hiding now. I don't know what's exactly look like now. They're all the roses. In the summer, they're all beautiful. But now, it's November, autumn season, winter is waving. So, let's go visit the roses. Sana all ganito lahat ang nilalakaran, no? Yeah, malinis. Let's go visit all the roses place. Guys, ayan ang roses, oh. Pinutulan pala, guys. Puputulan pala pagka ganitong weather. Ganyan po siya ang mga roses. This one is different color ng roses, guys. So, if you can see, There's a pink, there's yellow, there's a purple, red, and ano ba, white. Yeah, mixed color guys. Ganito pala pagka malapit ng winter. Look like. Yan, mga roses lahat po yan. Saka dito, all roses. Roses. My vlog ako this one about the roses last summer.